Beautiful angels. This is Miss Trixie from Magic Vents Tarot, and this is your December love and work forecast. What is going to happen in your December? Yes, friends, this is a quick insight into your December. I will be doing more detailed reading at the end of, uh, the November, but this is the start to let you know that you prepare for December. And make sure to subscribe, like, and share Magic Vents Tarot. And I hope if you enjoyed today's Christmassy theme, make sure to subscribe Magic Vents Tarot, like this video. And friends, this is a general reading. It may resonate or it may not. I will also be using charms or initials for you, for which may be important for you in December. And friends, this is a timeless reading. You can watch it anytime to confirm what happened in December, or how things will be shifting for you in December. And friends, if you want to buy your 2021 personal readings, make sure to visit our website. Bookings are on since a very long time. And make sure to grab your 2021 readings right now. Book yours now. And join us on Instagram as Magic Vents Tarot. And today's pile choices are beautiful. I hope you enjoy the beautiful choices and the efforts we make to, keep you all entertained. And the atmosphere is Christmassy. And since December is a very important month, let's just take 1 minute to talk about what's happening astrologically. And then I'm gonna start the reading. So what's happening astrologically is that December is very important. December 2020, we are Saturn and Jupiter both are shifting in Aquarius. It will lead to massive changes for us, for the world, as collectives, everyone. Also, friends, there will be a solar eclipse happening in December. And there is a lot happening. There is also another full moon happening at the end of the month, or almost at the end, 30th of December. So this is a loaded, power-packed month for you, friends. Get ready. Let's jump into the reading. I hope you like the pick choices today. Let me know, because this is the month of illumination, as I call it. December is the month of illumination. November is the month of preparation. January is the month of January 21 is the month of working on our illuminations. So that is why the choices are these. Let's take a deep breath. Relax, take a deep breath and choose option number 1, this beautiful lamp, pink lamp. Option number 2, this beautiful yellow lamp. Option number 3, this beautiful blue lamp. Since this is the month of illuminations, Christmas, relax, take a deep breath, choose option 1, option 2, option 3. Friends, I will leave the timestamps in the comment section so you can directly go there and choose. You can also pause the video and take some time to choose your options, friends. And let's see. If you are having trouble in choosing from the colors, you can choose from the timestamps also, friends. So let's see. So for option number 1, let's see how your month of December will be for those who chose this amazing, beautiful pink lamp. Let's see. I hope you enjoy our wonderful themes, friends. Let me know. I'm curious to know. I'm always curious to know. And this is your advice for the month, and this is your romance angels. We're gonna look at them shortly. Let's see. More detailed versions and more Hindi Urdu versions of this reading with charms and combined versions, Hindi Urdu English versions are coming. Stay connected, stay tuned. Don't get worried. Let's see how your December will be. Princess of Autumn. Wow, your focus in December is on money, on learning, on education. This is beautiful. Look at that. You are busy learning. You are busy working. You are busy on your career, on learning something, and building some knowledge, building some career. You're busy with work, career, building your finances, financial stability. The Magician. Wow, this is powerful. The Unicorn, the number 1 card. December is your month to manifest what you want. Whether it is in work, whether it is in career or your love life. If you are already working on manifestations, congratulations, because you are very close. You are very close to achieving your goals. Awakening. This is beautiful. Things are shifting for you, friends. December will bring you a powerful shift in your life. Yes, I feel it is coming. It is time for it. Some things which were stuck are going to be, resolved. And also, some new ideas, some new insights are coming your way. You are so studious. You want to learn. December is about learning. December for you is about learning new things. If you meet a new person, you want to know everything about them because you are curious. You want to know. I see some of you might be going or starting or going back to school, colleges. I also see that some of you are missing your schools and colleges, or you are trying to win, a college contest. Maybe it's an online thing, a competition. A lot is happening. You are manifesting also. You are manifesting a lot of things in your life. And what you need to do to manifest this thing, a change in perspective. The Princess of Spring. Oh my God, power, passion. This is beautiful. The 10 of Spring and the 9 of Winters. Friends, you are right now very worried. Very worried. What will happen, how things will be, where you are going. You are very anxious. You feel like you are in the middle of a sea in a storm and you don't know what to do. You are very anxious at this moment. You are having some health issues. Maybe you are feeling depressed, anxiety. I know many of you are. You all comment like, we are going to do this, we are going to do that. We just have lost our hope. Friends, we have reached till November. I mean, I'm doing my December reading. Can you see that? We didn't knew when we started this year that we will make it till December. And we did it. So if you have any doubts that you are not going to achieve what you are trying to, I will tell you, you will achieve it. You will achieve it. It is destined for you. You have the magician, you have the awakening. Things are shifting. Some of you are coming out of depressions. You are coming out of health issues. You are coming out of restrictions, of blocks which are keeping you stuck. You have a lot of burdens in your life at the moment. You are feeling very burdened. It's like you are suffering from a long, long time. You have everyone's responsibility, maybe your family members, maybe your friends, everyone. You are the agony aunt of the family or the friends or the lovers. You are the agony aunt. You help everybody, but who is helping you? That is your question in December. I will tell you who is helping you. You yourself, the universe, the spirit is helping you. Different awakenings are happening you. These planets which are shifting, Jupiter in Aquarius, Saturn in Aquarius, then there will be a lot of Mercury, Venus all moving in Sagittarius, and those solar eclipses. Everything is aligning you with your power. You will reconnect with your sense of excitement in December. You will reconnect with your sense of power in December. You will also reconnect that how you can make your life better, how you can release these burdens you are carrying. You have a lot of burdens, friends. You have a lot of burdens and you have somehow put them on yourself, but this month you are setting free. You are setting free. A Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus person is important this month for you. An Aries, Leo, Sagittarius person is important for you. I also see an Aquarius, Libra, Gemini person could be important for you this month, friends. The main thing that I'm feeling for you this month is you all are trying to manifest, whether it is a new job. Some of you are trying to manifest a new love relationship or a reunion. Some of you are trying to manifest, the success in your exams. Yes, it will happen. Keep working. But don't overload yourself, overburden yourself. No, you have to change it. You will have to change it. If you are suffering in health, it will get better. But you will have to work towards it. You will have to work, like, go out, do some yoga, but little, not like you do it all in a day. I also feel, friends, that you may not have studied till now, or even for your semesters in December or your exams in December, or you were not preparing for an exam or interview, and it may come suddenly. So you might feel like, oh my God, I didn't prepare it. So you might have a lot of work to finish in December. So get ready. If you are a student, get ready, get to work now, because you will achieve success. I feel in relationships, a relationship is having a lot of burden at the moment. Maybe it is your husband who can't give you a lot of time because they have their own issues. Maybe it is your loved one because they are busy at work or in their love life or at with their family, or with health issues. They can't give you time. They can't be your person. They can't give you this crown. They can't give you this ring at the moment because they are busy. They are burdened. That person is shifting. They are coming. Someone is trying to manifest you. It could be a new person, it could be an old lover, a reunion. Someone is trying to manifest you, friends. Someone is trying to figure out how to manifest you back in their life. There is a relationship which is burdened at the moment, but shifts, be patient, shifts will happen. Courage. You are very bold, friends. Why are you doubting yourself? You have the courage. Have the courage. Focus. Yes, friends, it is very important that where you focus in December, that is what you are going to manifest. So I say that again, my readings are positive. No, they are not. They are stark, they are nude, they are, they are truth. If you know it, if you hear it often, you will know it. It's true. You will have to focus. Where you focus, that is what you will manifest in December. If you focus on anxiety, you will create more anxiety. If you focus on abundance, you will create more abundance. If you focus on love, you will create more love. So what you focus on in December is what you manifest. You are the unicorn and see things from a different perspective. What is not working at the moment is going to work for you in the future. Let us see if there is anything else for December. I do feel, friends, you are waiting for some achievements to come your way in December, some degrees to happen, or some you want to be awarded. Some social recognition should be there for you. You want it. You want to have this crown. Maybe some of you are going for pageants, or you are being awarded, or you are looking, you want that in your college, in your farewells, you want that, that recognition. It is coming, friends. It will happen. And also, this is a sign of spiritual victory and changes, positive changes. I see some of you are trying, you are very bored of where you are. It is like you don't, in December, wherever you live or study or work, you are bored. You want to change things. So, change is big on your mind. You want to change things in December, but you are scared of that change. You are burdened. You have the courage. Go for it. Be focused. What else for pile number 1 for December 2020? I will be pulling some initials for you also to know what will be happen. No place like home. I told you, you are looking for home. You are looking for home. Some of you might be missing your home. Like you want to go back. Like you feel like you are not where you are living. That's not your home. You are looking for that home. Some of you want to travel, some of you want to buy a new property. Someone in long distance, no contact with you. They are trying to return back to you because you are their home. Breathe. It is a busy month for you, friends. You will have to relax. Otherwise, because you have a lot of passion, you have a lot of anxiety also, so get relaxed. Happy, number 26. Some happy news will be coming your way, or some relief will be coming your way. I see a relief, a change of focus, higher power, destiny is at work in your life, and that's the month of destiny. December is the month of destiny. I will be doing a collective reading. What will happen collectively for all of us? I don't know. I should or shouldn't, because I don't see many of us are ready to hear the truths, but I don't know. Let me see. I will pull the initials. Wait, let's see. Some initials. What will be the initials? Important initials to find in the one. Let's see. FNITRYTCLEX. Oh my god. And X, yeah, your very a relationship has caused a lot of pressure on you, almost to the point of breaking you. But or someone is very pressurized, maybe a lover is suffering or with anxiety, depression, they are pressurized, they want you back. X, let's start with that. If you are worried about your past, friends, it is going to heal. You are going to manifest a new relationship. You are going to find people at work and in your love life which are supportive. How? You are manifesting it. You have become wiser. Now you will not make the same mistakes like you did in the past. Can you make any words from here? Cipher. Wow, cipher is like, I think it means zero. Cipher is one, I think. Correct me if I'm wrong. Cipher is 0 or 1, either or. I don't know, is it 0 or 1? I'm a little confused at the moment. But cipher, yeah, it is the starting. You also have the magician, the starting, the beginning of everything. Cipher. I don't know what cipher means actually, but I know it's a word. What else can you make? Fir, FIR, fir trees, Christmas time. Maybe someone is living at a snow area, or they are living where there is a lot of mountains or trees, or you are living there, so you're missing them. It also means city. Look at that, city. Some of you want to move out of cities, or you want to move towards cities, to a new city or a new country. That is also happening, that is on your mind. Some of you want to travel for work, or you have traveled but you want to go home. A lot is happening. No place like home. You are missing some city, or someone from another city or country is missing you. Friendships are important. Someone is trying, I think some of you are trying to manifest new friendships. It is coming, or you will find it. Also, I feel someone is trying to manifest you. L, U, P, and there is another P. Wow, that's interesting. I don't know if you can make any other words. You let me know if you can make any more words out of here. I can't. I think you can make FRIE and friend. You can't make friend actually, but the short form is here. So these are your initials: EXFRNTCITYPLUP. Let's see your advice for this month. Hold your vision. Focus. Twice. You need to keep in mind what you want, because you are going to achieve it. So be careful, friends. Save this reading. And I feel the energy has already started for you. You are manifesting without realizing. So friends, please manifest positive things. It is necessary. Why? Because we are all a collective. We are all a collective. When you bring hate here, or any kind of low vibration energy, it affects all of us, not just me, not just you, all of us. So don't do that. Manifest something beautiful. Hold it. Hold your vision. Let's see your romance. Oh my God, true love. This is the romance of a lifetime. Yes, you are manifesting true love, or maybe the one that you are with, that is your true love, and they are coming back for you. This is beautiful, friends. That's it for now. Make sure to subscribe Magic Vans Tarot, and join us on Instagram as Magic Vans Tarot. If you enjoyed today's setup and the choices and decor, make sure to subscribe, like, and if to win a free reading, subscribe, like, and share. Bye for now. For those who chose option number 2, let us see this beautiful yellow lamp. Let us see how your December will be. Let's see. I will also be pulling some initials. This is your advice. This is your romance angels. Extra messages. Let's see what will happen in December. I will be doing more in-depth charms readings. Wait for it. This is the short insight of the month. Wow. Oh my God, I just dropped it. The Empress. This is beautiful. Look at that. That's a great way to start a new month. You're working on your dreams, on your goals, and some of you are working on healing your relationship with your mother or with your grandparents. Or I do feel some of you In December, you know, some of you might become pregnant, or you might have a childbirth, or someone in the family. You might also bring a new pet, you know, or your pets might deliver, you know, your dogs or your pets, you know, whatever. You might bring some, you know, pets also. I think your energy is to nurture. That's what you want to do in December. You want to work, you want to start something. You are very protective about things you start. Maybe you have already started something, business, channels, maybe some teaching work, something. You are very possessive, you are very protective about it. The Emperor, look at that. That's a couple, the Empress and the Emperor. Wonderful. I do feel a very important or a powerful relationship is coming your way. If you are already married, that is your relationship. If you are single, this relationship is coming for you. The someone who is an equal match to you is coming. I feel this month is about you balancing your leadership as well as kindness, you know, how to be kind and when to be strong or firm. That is your main thing to learn in December, and that's what you are going to do. 3 and 4. The 8 of summer. Yeah, some you have left a relationship. You have moved on from a relationship, from a friendship, from a marriage. It still hurts you, it still affects you because you thought this person is the one you will marry, or you were married once to them, then you had to move out. I also feel some of you may be dealing with a person who is already married, or they are divorced and they have kids or something like that. It may be specific for some of you, not all. I feel you are coming out of disappointments in December. Yes. 10 of summer, ultimate happiness, harmony in family, relationships, finding support, finding love. December, you something is shifting, friends. Maybe there was an ending. Some of you moved out of a relationship, or someone moved away from you. This person is coming towards you, or you are going to find some resolution in that situation, some sort of a relief in that situation. I also see if you were having issues in the family, they are going to heal. I see a massive reunion happening between this Empress and this Emperor. It could also be between yourself, your female side, your heart, and your mind. They are uniting. So, yes, Ace of Spring, passion, ignition, passionate new start in your work, in your love life, in your career. You are taking charge of things. This is a bold. December is starting things brand new. The past is forgotten. The new is not there. The present is all passionate, all emotions. The Hermit. Someone who was very quiet, someone who has not been in contact with you, they are going to call you. They are going to fall in love with you. This person is going to propose you. They're gonna marry you. This is going to be a passionate reunion for both of you. If you are single, this is a new start of a connection. This is a new love coming your way. This person, you have moved out of bad relationships. You have chosen yourself. You have chosen the Emperor. Like, you know, you took your charge of your life, and that is why you will be rewarded with a very kind and understanding partner, and it will lead to marriage. You are from the same soul family. Look at the sweetness in this card. It's beautiful, friends. It's beautiful. I also feel, friends, this month you will be working, studying a lot. You are finding new things, new insights. You are very, very addicted to your studies, to your knowledge, to your work, to your career. You are very committed to success. But at the same time, I think you are starting something new in December. Many of you, a business, or you have already started, but you are putting more energy into it. Ace of Spring, you are putting more energy. You are meeting the right people who can help you, who can support you, who can sponsor you. If you are a business person, if you are in career, if you are a student who had some issues with family, oh my God, they are going to support you, or you are going to find a balance, a harmony. Someone is going to support you, whether your family or someone else. This is powerful. 3 of Autumn, someone wants to work things out with you. Cooperation is a big theme. Taking care of each other, taking care of your goals, taking care of your body, your mind, your soul, taking care and taking care of your family members, taking care of yourself, your heart. That's the theme of December. Someone is coming, someone wants a passionate reunion. I also feel it could be a fresh new romance, someone with someone who is very wise, with someone who is very intelligent, and someone where there is equal passion as well as emotion, and you both understand each other. Oh, this is beautiful. I love it. But I also feel you need to be careful. Why? Because everyone, uh, there is emotion, there is passion. I feel sometimes in December you might want to stay alone. You might be a little in the antisocial mode, hermit mode. So your friends, your family might say, "Hey, spend some time with us," or this new lover or this passionate person is like, "Hey, spend some time," and you are like, "No, I'm in the hermit mode." But I do feel like you should spend some time with people. It is your month for people. Success, yes. Success in work, finances, and education is coming. You may not see it this month, but it is coming. The hard work you do this month, it is going to pay you big time, friends. Big, big time. I do feel some of you may get extra work because someone is sick in the college, in the office. So you might have to do their work. But, friends, it will bring you a lot of rewards in the future. So go for it. Action. Take action for your dreams, for your emotions, for your well being. Take action. I also feel someone is going to make a move towards you. This person wants a family. You are from the same soul tribe. If you are single, this is your person coming for you. This could also be a twin flame that's coming towards you. This could also be your ex husband, wife, someone you were married with once or you wanted to marry. Oh my god, this is beautiful. I love it. Let's see anything else is coming. If you are a student, you will be studying so much and you will feel very excited. You will want to, start something new. I do feel if you are a student, you might start teaching even while studying, and you might start something with your family, like you are a musician, so you start playing with your family or singing with your family, and it's going to be fantastic for you, very successful. Co-create. People are coming, friends. December is going to bring you people, soul tribes, soul family. That is important for your work as well as your love life. And you are going to create big things in the future. You may meet them now, but things will create in the future. Deep knowing. You knew this person was coming. You knew it. You have always known this fact that you will meet this emperor, you will meet this empress. Even it could be someone from the past coming back. You knew they were going to come back. You knew things will get better. This is also your month to cooperate. Don't be in this ego energy. Don't be stuffy. Don't be too kind. Stay cooperative, diplomatic, smart. Round and round. There is some conflict that's keeping you, or there is some situation which keeps repeating. Maybe you have a pattern of finding wrong people or wrong partnerships, but I think you can change it in December. In fact, you are very close to shifting that pattern in your life. And even your lovers or people around you are changing, they are shifting, they are changing and growing out of their patterns. Repeated cycles, they are changing. Anything else? Blessings are coming your way. Blessings are coming, friends. December is your very, very important month. The only problem I see, you might feel very antisocial, or you might be too kind, or you might be too stuffy, or you might be too busy. So you will have to balance it all out. You can't just, be one thing or the other. That's the energy. Let's see what's the advice. Then we're gonna listen to the initials. Bring love into the situation. New moon in Aquarius. Wow. Focus on love, friends. Focus on love. Focus on what you enjoy doing and create it. And I do feel someone from the past is coming. Bring love into the situation. Or you need to be, kind about your past. Make the effort. Great love is worth taking the steps you are guided to take. So, some of you are moving towards great love. And you may have to do some things for that great love, like shift a city, shift a pattern, shift a country. But when you do that, it will bring you love. It will bring you a lot of love and success. Let's see your initials. Let's see. Wow, Rita could be your name, or you could be dealing with someone whose name is Rita, or it's a beautiful name, Rita. Nita could be the name, or their name could be Nally, something like that. Nolly, maybe, or let's see if we can make some words. I find the word roar. Yes, roar. You are this lion. Go for it. You are kind, you are compassionate, you are ready. You are like this lion. Look at this. You have the lion, the tiger, the white tiger, and the white tigress. Look at that. A passionate couple. Roar, friends, roar. You are powerful. Go after your dreams. Go after your dreams. I don't know why this reminds me of Italy. Italy, maybe Italy is important for some of you. Maybe you are from there, or your person is from there. Lay the past down. Forget the past. Move on. Heal yourself. Something better is coming, or a reunion is going to happen. Niti could be the name. Niti. It could be a name. Nitin, Niti. Aura. Aura could also be a name for some of you. Aura, Orca. What else? Laura. Maybe someone named Laura, Laurie, Lauren. I don't know if I can make any man names. I don't think so. Ray, probably Ray. Yeah, those things are important for you. There is also the alphabet P. There is also U, there is also L, and there is also R. So these are important for you for the month of December. And that's it for now. If you enjoyed today's decor and today's reading, make sure to subscribe Magic Wens Tarot. And if you subscribe Magic Wens Tarot, you get a chance to win a free reading. So subscribe, like, and share, and make sure to comment. This is Mystic C saying bye for now. Also chose option number 3, this beautiful blue lamp. Let's see how your month of December will be. This is your advice. I will also be pulling your charms, initial charms, so we'll see that. More detailed readings are coming ahead. Let's see what's going to happen for you in December. 3 of summer. Wow, some celebrations are coming. This is beautiful. I do feel it may be your birthday in December. Or maybe someone their birthday is coming in December, friends, family members. Some sort of a happy celebration or some sort of a relief, happiness is coming your way. Maybe you are going out with friends on a trip or something, on a holiday, or maybe someone, or you're missing your friends, you may unite with them online. Something beautiful. 9 of autumn, money is coming your way. Yay! December is bringing you money. And not just money, I feel it is bringing you self-esteem, self-confidence, self-love. This is nice. I also see some of you may start working on yourself, like working on your fitness, or you are already doing. You're gonna feel confident, you're gonna feel very bold. I also feel this 9 of autumn is like some of you starting your own businesses or going solo in your work, independent work, leaving your 9 to 5 jobs, doing independent work. You will find the support in December, friends, family who can help you. Oh my God, the Wheel of Fortune. This is the best card for December because collectively also things are moving, things are shifting. So yes, Jupiter and Saturn both will shift into Aquarius. That's going to be a leap of faith for humanity. And look at that, your Wheel of Fortune is here. Yes, yes, yes. Your life is changing. Your life is shifting gears. You are moving forward. Luck is coming. And I do see some of you are shifting, relocating, or starting something different. Some changes are coming in your life. 10 of autumn. Yeah. I do feel some of you want to get married. This is 9, this is 10, so this is a progression. If you have already started a business, it will get more better or successful in December, or your work will get more better in December, or your finances will get better. I also feel if you had a lot of tensions in your family, in-laws, everywhere, your family, cousins, you will find relief. You will find relief. You will find harmony. You will, if you had, monetary issues, yeah, or inheritance issues, legal issues with family, changes are coming. Relief is coming. I do feel some of you are moving or relocating in December. Or if you are looking for a new office or a new home, you will be successful. You will find it in fact, you will find better than what you are looking. 9 of summer. Oh my God, 3 of summer, 9 of summer, 9 of autumn. Oh God, wishes are going to come true, friends. Wishes are going to come true. Whatever you wish for in December, it will come true. Whether you wish for good or bad, it will come true. I also feel you are reaping rewards of this whole year. Something you did in the past years, it will be rewarded now for you in December. 5 of summer. I do feel you are disappointed with love. Very disappointed with people. Family, they didn't support you. They didn't understood you. Friends, they left you. Your best friend ditched you. I also feel like there is someone who is crying over you. I see tears. Maybe you are crying right now. I don't know why I felt like you are crying right now. You have recently cried because you lost someone, you missed someone, you are in no contact with this person. You both are missing each other. It could be a friend, it could be a lover, husband, ex-husband, wife, twin flame, any person you love. You are missing them, they are missing you. You are crying, they are crying too. But in December, the good news is some relief, some celebration, some reunion, some sort of a message is coming. Something will happen that will make you happy. The Queen of Winter, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini person is important for you. You could be an Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces person is also important for some of you. I also feel Virgo, Taurus is important. The Ace of Autumn, wow, some of you are really, really working on money and on stability. That's your priority in December. You want 2 things, success in money or career. Second thing, you want stability in your relationships or family. You want this peace of mind. You don't want to fight. You don't want disappointment. You don't want hate. No, you want progress. You want happiness. You want to travel. You want success. That is going to happen. I do see some of you are going to start something new regarding your work and career or even in your studies. Some of you are going to go for postgraduate courses, PhDs or something, masters, even abroad or somewhere. Maybe it's online right now, but you are going to join it. I also feel, friends, in love, someone wants to reconnect and offer you a commitment or something stable more than a friendship. I do feel some of your friends like you more than just as friends. So they want to come back to you, or they want to propose you, or they want to be like, hey, let's get into a relationship. Especially if you are single, there is a person who is your friend right now or who is in your friend zone. They like you, they might make a move towards you. I also feel if you are in third party friends, some relief is coming. So get ready. Some relief is coming. It will make you happy. It will make you feel confident. It will also make this relationship move forward. But you will have to be very bold. The thing I see in December is, friends, pile number 3, you are very bold. You are like this leopard. Look at that. You are like this leopard queen. I think that's a leopard. Yeah, it's a leopard. Look at that. It's sitting with a crown. You are sitting with crown everywhere. Look here also, smug here. You have to be confident. You have to believe that yes, this person will come for you. They will. You will have to stay confident. I also feel, friends, that if you are a student, it will be a good month for you. some sort of celebrations are coming, trips may be happening somewhere around, or maybe you will like have a birthday or something with friends, or some you will, make projects with friends which will be successful. Abundance, money is coming. Yes, opportunities you need are coming in December. Yes, friends, you have to be bold, but you have to be bold, you have to be fearless. Then only you can achieve it. Let's see anything else. There's a lot happening. I feel you're gonna feel tired a little, It's a busy month for you, December. This wants to come out. Why? Some of you are asking why this happened with you. Number 31. This loss, this pain, this disappointment, why luck is not with you. It is coming because when things don't happen for you, friends, it doesn't mean it will never happen. It will happen in the future, you know. I also feel this month you will be learning a lot. You are watching people, you are observing rather than making a move. So you are watching people, observing, learning about them. To be fair, I told you, someone is in third party, they're gonna come back, or they're gonna do some justice will happen in that situation. Or someone who hurted you, justice will happen. Message in a bottle, yes. Love notes, love messages are coming. They're gonna message you. I also feel a friend, a secret lover is going to message you. They wanna date you, they wanna commit to you, they wanna move in with you. Yes, things are moving up for you in December. Let's see your advice. A win-win outcome is forecasted. Full moon in Libra. Yes, friends, you are winning. And not just you, people around you are also winning. This is a collective upgradation for you, like your soulmates are upgrading, your soul family is upgrading you. So get ready, friends. December is an important month for all of us. Let's see your romance angels calling in your soulmate. Your prayers, affirmations, and visualizations help bring you together. Yes, friends, whatever you need, you can manifest. If you stay this powerful, if you stay confident, if you stay happy, and if you know luck is with you, you can manifest anything. I do feel someone is coming, someone is trying to manifest you as their partner or as a business partner. It is going to happen. Let's see your initials. For December, which initials are important in December? Spirit is always in this room, always. You can feel it, right? C, A, lots of A initials for you. Lots of vowels, A, I. Cat is important for some of you. Be like the cat, proud. Again an A is here. Lots of A are here. There's also a blank tile. If your person's name is not here, you can use the blank for that. Cat, cat. Maybe someone who has a cat is important. You have a cat. Maybe you are going to, get a new pet or something. Wait is here. So it is important for you to stay patient. Things are working for you. You are going to manifest or achieve what you desire. Don't worry. What else? Let's see. This reminds me of cult. Wow, this is like, cult, cult is like a group of specific people that do like, you are all cult musicians. You all do the specific kind of music. You are like following the tantra. Cult, it's a cult. You are going to find people who have similar interest like you, and it is going to make your life exciting. Or you are manifesting people who have similar interest like you. I do see what else? Can I make a name out of it? No. I can't. Maybe lit. Yes, literature is important. Also, you are very lit. People are drawing to your confidence. People like your confidence this month in December. And you should be confident because things are going to shift for you. So be bold, be confident. There is also A, there is also L. There is also V, and there is O. So make sure if you get any other words, let me know. I can't clap, clat, claw. Yeah, claw, birds. You may be getting a lot of bird signs. Claw. Claw. What does the claw mean here? Clutching. I think you are holding the past too strong. It is time to let it go because new things are coming your way or something fresh is coming your way. So you see the letters double A blank U I double I T double T I O C L A W A L V O. So that's it for now. Make sure to subscribe Magic Vans Tarot, and if you subscribe, like and share, you win a free reading. You win a chance of a free reading at the end of this month, friends. So make sure to like, share, subscribe, and if you enjoy the deco, let me know in the comments. Mystic C saying bye.